Very good morning, friends. I'm Nalnakshi Swami, welcoming to my channel Smart Index Edge. Coming up with the Nifty levels based on the India VIX. India VIX has cooled off to 13.7. Based on that, I've got the levels. On the lower side, 23,585, and on the upper side, 23,921. And weekly high to be 24,198 and weekly low to be 23,308. So coming to the analysis, yesterday the price action was an inside bar. That is an inside bar formed within the range of the Friday's high and low. Today, what can happen is inside bar actually it has gapped up and it has formed a dozy type of candlestick pattern. It moved up and gone down and closed where it has opened. So on the upper side, the immediate resistance is 23,815. Suppose if it starts breaking above and if it starts moving higher, first level 24,012, 23,921 to 24,012 becomes the barrier, and who knows, it can make an attempt to fill the gap of 20 gap. There is a gap over here, it can fill the gap and it can move up to 24,198. The question arises actually whether it is a reversal. No, actually it will not be a reversal. The reason for this is this is a continuous fall only without any dent. This is the dent. That means some sort of pullback, what you are seeing if it does like that. If I take the fib tool, that will be, suppose if the market starts moving higher, this level will be 0.5 retracement of the 24,198 will be 0.5 retracement. And this level, 24,058 to 24,012 will be 0.382 retracement. So, market after the fall, there will be some sort of pullback. Since it is a breakdown of the structure from this area, any attempt there may be some attempt of pullback going towards the 24,198 to 23,921, it will make an attempt. That is the usual behavior of the market. Some sort of pullback will be there, and there we need to see it has to restore. And after testing this level, it has to make a higher low and it has to move higher. Then only the reversal will be confirmed. At present, it will be just a pullback. Actually, what happens when the market falls, there will be 0.5 to 0.38 retracement in the market. So we need to carefully watch the retracement, how much it is going to do. Suppose if it does this 0.382, that is around 280 points movement, and if it goes to this level, that will be 425 movements. Probably we can anticipate, maximum we can anticipate for the level of 24,000, 12 to 24,041. So let me remove this fib tool. So you can apply as a guidelines and you can understand about. Suppose if it starts moving below the direction, if it starts continues to the downside, the immediate support is around 23,414 and it may even touch the weekly lows. We need to see actually Probably if it is going for selling, probably it may go for higher levels little bit, travel towards these levels, and then it may go for selling off. If it is for buying, it will be a very good thing if it goes to 23,404, and then if it reverses, then it will gather momentum towards the hours. Since it is an inside bar, either side movement you can anticipate, either to the downside or to the upside. This inside bar is formed after the huge fall. So you need to be very careful. The price action, you should know immediately if it shows 23,815 to 23,921, you should be very cautious. Actually, it may become trap because this is the boundary of the Friday's high. You should always mark the boundary of the Friday's high, that is 24,070, and you carefully trade with the levels in your mind. Coming to the Bank Nifty, Bank Nifty also same type of picture, and it is an inside bar. Inside bar. So if the Bank Nifty starts moving higher, that 51,680 is the first resistance, and 51,969 to 52,279 becomes the resistance for the Bank Nifty. You just mark the levels so that you will have guidelines. Suppose if it starts breaking below 50,954, then it can lead to the level of 50,355. The same thing, even the Bank Nifty, Friday's level is around 51,680. So if it crosses that level, you should have that in your mind. Then it can lead to the upper targets of 52,279 too. But this will be a pullback in the downward movement. Suppose if it starts coming down and if it starts moving, it can gather momentum. And it has already tested this level 50,646. Suppose if it comes down, there is another support around 50,355. You should note all those things while trading. It becomes confusion actually while trading in the live market. So I'm doing some sort of live analysis, live market analysis to show you people where is the resistance and where you can anticipate for the reversal. Same thing I did in the yesterday. I cautioned you people around this level when it started moving towards this level, 23,867. I made a video and immediately it reversed, and even I mentioned these levels because it can fill the gap, because it was the gap, it was filled actually. They have filled this gap because it was a gap up, and they filled the gap and they have closed like a dozy type of candlestick has been formed, indecision candle. You can see a dozy over here. I'm on the daily chart. So either side, the market can move. A dozy indicating some sort of both buyers and sellers have been engaged in the market. So if it starts moving above 23,867, it can start moving up to 24,012 and 24,070. Okay, friends, you watch out for my live videos. I'm making an effort to make a live video to guide you people so that some alert will be there for your trade so that you can take the trade, whether it is a continuation trade. I'll make an effort to do that. Please do watch, subscribe, and support me. And your likes will motivate me for making more videos like this. Thank you very much. Nalnakshi Swami signing off.